Right here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today is day 11 of the daily vlog. I woke up, I worked out, I ran. Talking to some people this morning, trying to get some new connections to new bands and new venues and stuff, which is super good. Today's goal is to finish off the animation for good, at least for this course, the 25 exercises to guitar playing mastery. I'm gonna try to finish that guy off today. Outside of that, I'm just gonna try to make sure that I get my routine done, maybe do a little work on Fiverr, and that is basically it for the day. Hope you guys are doing well. See you guys in a bit. Did that, I wanted to make more money with music, and I'm in Ecuador, and why not go outside and busk and see what it's like to play guitar on the street in Ecuador. Some places in the States I used to kill it playing on the street, so I don't know. I've got an awesome tour guide, my wife. She's gonna take me to the best spots to play guitar around the city on the street, and we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna show you guys the whole thing too. We're heading out, got the guitar ready, got a bag and a camera. Chick, my wife, the awesome tour guide, and you'll see how the day goes. All right guys, we are in the bus here in Ecuador. We are 5 minutes, well, like 2 minutes away from the next bus stop. We're about to get off, switch buses, and then we are going to play guitar on the street. I am excited. What's up, dudes? I am at the bus station. What it looks like. Daily bus in Ecuador. You stand, you don't sit. What's up, dudes? Just got off the bus. Crossing the street. We're gonna do it.
It's getting dark and we need to get to the place we're gonna play now because it's Quito Day, but it's getting late, and so we want to catch all the people. And so we're gonna zap to the front of Quicentro to make it on time.
Alright, you guys ready? Zap. Alright guys, zap. We're here in front of Quicentro. Boom, all of us are here. Alright. Alright dudes, you ready to zap again? Zap. We are here guys. What's up dudes? Ready to play. This is right directly in front of Quicentro. Boom. Pretty place. Alright dudes, so we have finished our Quito tour. It wasn't as successful as I thought it was, but I feel like next time if we come and we're more prepared and we hit slightly better spots, that's gonna be good. But anyways, I'm still in front of Quicentro. It looks really beautiful at night. Really beautiful. I'll show you this way too. And the palm trees are really cool. And yeah, zap, zap. Alright guys, we are back home now. It's actually pretty late. It is, I think 11:30. I'm gonna cut up this daily vlog. I got the daily blog done as well. I still want to get more shit done though. So I feel like I'm gonna stay up and work, but I'll let you guys know if that's true. Hey guys, it is 3 in the morning and I'm just finishing editing the video today. The adventure here in Ecuador. I not only made that, but I also made a tutorial video and a music video, which I'm going to show you guys previews of right now. So you can go ahead and check those out. The links are down in the description below if you guys want to see them. As always, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys tomorrow.